Good morning, student. Today I am going to teach you chapter 3, A Sailor and His Pet. Okay, let's start. This chapter is related to Johnny J, who was a sailor, and his pet, whose name was Crazy Coot. Look, old sailor Johnny J loved the sea. जो जॉनी जे है उसे समुद्र बहुत पसंद था. When he was only 12 years old, he started sailing. और तब से 66 years हो चुके थे. He has sailed across the world. He has seen many countries. वह समुद्र को इतना पसंद करता था कि वह लंबे समय तक पृथ्वी पर नहीं रह सकता था. He had a small cabin. Cabin means house. यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा घर की बात की जा रही है. So he had a small cabin on an island of Guiana. जहाँ उसे रहना ज़्यादा पसंद था. Instead with his family means वो अपनी फैमिली की अपेक्षा अकेला रहना ज़्यादा पसंद करता था. Johnny J had only one constant friend for years, and it was, और ये कौन था? It was his pet Crazy Coot. It could speak like human. ये बिल्कुल ह्यूमन की तरह बोल सकता था. Both the sailor and his friend loved the sea. दोनों ही सी को बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद करते थे. Meeting people always made them cranky with pupil. You know, आप जानते हैं that Crazy Coot was a macaw. macaw बहुत कलरफुल और इंटेलिजेंट होते हैं. And can be taught to speak. Crazy Coot liked to watch old movies with Johnny J. He could imitate gunfire sound and speak also some dialogues of movies. He liked to whistle. Johnny J and Crazy Coot both were, दोनों ही जो थे उनमें क्या चीज़ सिमिलर थी? both were stubborn. stubborn means जिद्दी थे और अकेला रहना पसंद करते थे. जॉनी जे की एक एल्डर सिस्टर थी whose name was, जॉनी जी की एल्डर सिस्टर का नाम क्या था? मिसी बे. शी डिडंट लाइक मकाओ. एक बार जॉनी जे और क्रेजी कोट उनके घर में रहने गए. तब उसने क्रेजी कोट को देखा. Whenever Missy went near the crazy coot, it started to make different types of sounds. जैसे पुलिस सायरन की साउंड या गन शॉट्स की आवाज़, और ज़ोर ज़ोर से हंसने लगता था. How can anyone be happy in this condition? Okay. One afternoon, Missy May came to meet her brother Johnny J, but he was not there. She decided to wait for him in the guest room, ignoring Crazy Coot. Then a thief entered in parlor. You know what is the meaning of parlor? parlor का मतलब होता है जो गेस्ट रूम होता है छोटा सा, उसके लिए यूज किया गया है. Then a thief entered in the parlor means guest room from window. He started to keep things in his bag silently, but the thief didn't know about Crazy Coot, जो कि बुक्स के पीछे से छिप करके सब कुछ देख रहा था. क्रेजी कोट ने बिना बाहर आए ही चिल्लाना शुरू कर दिया. You thief, you killed me, leave me alone, call the police, you go to jail. After it was the sound of police siren and gunshots. भयभीत होकर the thief jumped to escape, and at the same time Missy May woke up. चोर घबरा गया and struck his head on the table and fainted. मिसी में called the police and the thief was arrested. After it, when Missy went to his pad, it it shouted again. It shouted again, "You thief, you kill me, leave me alone, I call police, you go to jail." ये सब सुनकर पुलिस और मिसी में आश्चर्यचकित रह गए एंड देन burst out laughing. एंड इन दिस वे दिस ब्यूटीफुल स्टोरी जो है आपकी ये फिनिश होती है. ओके स्टूडेंट, नाउ वी लुक द वर्ड मीनिंग ऑफ दिस चैप्टर. Cranky. Cranky means strange, bad tempered. Guiana. Guiana is an island in the Caribbean. Okay. Parlor. What is the meaning of parlor? A small room for guests. Tripped, stumbled and fell. Constant means not changing. Rum. Rum means backside. Ignored. Ignored means did not pay attention. Okay. Okay student. The last meaning is ecstatic, extremely happy. Thank you.